Hello everyone. So this is our third video on Python program. So we will perform our third program, and the objective of the program is that we have to write a program to prompt the user for hours and rate per hour using input to compute gross pay. So we have done a similar program previously only, but in this program there will be a slight change, and the change is that the pay should be normal rate for hour up to 40. Means if the hour is up to 40, and then if the hours is more than 40, then the rate will decrease by half. Means time and a half for the hour rate for all hours worked above 40 hours. So the rate will change that, and it will reduce to half of the previous rate. And we have to put the logic to do the computation of pay in a function called compute pay. So we have to also define a function named compute pay to calculate the total amount, and use the function to do the computation. The function should return a value, and by default we have to give 45 hours and a rate of 10.50 per hour to test the program, and the result should come this. And the similar thing only, that we have to convert a string to float value by function float. Now we will start our program by defining a function. First of all, we will define a function, and the function defined in Python is by command def, and as they have already given the name, that name of the function should be compute pay. So compute pay, and in this function the value of hours and rate will be transferred, and that will be stored in h and r. Now we will check if number of hours is less than or equal to 40. Now don't forget to give the colons. Then we will return the value simply product of the h and r. Nothing we have to modify. Now if the number of hours is more than 40, then there is a slight change, that is return h star r. This is the normal thing only. Now what change will be there? Now we have to calculate the extra hours, that the hour, that is the hour more than 40. Now how can we calculate that? Just simply we have to subtract the total number of hours from total number of hours 40 hours. Now this will give us the extra hours, that is more than 40 hours. Now the rate for those hours is half of the normal rate, so 1.5 star the normal rate is r. Now so this will be the function that will calculate the total amount. Now previously only we have to ask the user about number of hours and rate. So input, so enter number of hours, for rate and rate. Now we also have to convert these values in float type. So I will use another variable. I will take another variable h and convert the previous hours into float type. Then in r we will store the convert value of rate. Now we have to call the function, and if the function is called, then a value should be returned by the function. So that value means the total amount that we will store in variable p. And now we have to call the function by just typing the name of the function, that is compute pay, and we have to transfer two variables and those should be h and r. So this command will transfer value of h and r to the variable h and r in the function. If you want, I can change the variable, but just for simplification I have given the same name. You can also give different name in function and different name in this command function calling. So as we got the final result in p, now we simply have to print the total amount, and that should be in this we can write pay. How much? That's it. So let us check. Bad input on line 1. Maybe, oh, I forgot, as I keep on telling you that we have to give columns in one. Let's check. And we have to input how many hours? 45 hours. So 45 I'm inputting. You may not be able to see 45, and the rate is 10.5. Okay, so as you can see, our program is executed properly as the way we wanted. I hope you liked the video. Have a great day ahead.